Alright guys, so we're back from the gym and we're gonna go into our meal for today. I'm probably not gonna show you everything just because I don't want you guys to get bored, but if you guys want me to show you like all my meals and how I make them, just let me know in the comments down below. But I'll show you what I'm making for breakfast. So my first meal is gonna be 2 grapefruits, and 1 whole egg and 3 egg whites and bread. So I like Tuesdays because I get to eat bread, but Wednesdays are my favorite, so I'm going to check out Wednesday for my meals on Wednesday. But so this is for Tuesday, this is day 2, and yep, we're gonna make some grapefruit juice. So I'm cutting the grapefruit and we're gonna make some juice. There's my juice. Now we're gonna make some eggs. So for these videos, guys, I'm only gonna do 1 week of like my meal prep, just because it's basically the same thing every week. I know it gets kind of boring, but I should be able to see results in 12 days. So basically the meals are going to be the same every week and the workouts are going to be mostly the same. I try to change it up a little bit, but for the most part it's going to be the same. So you'll see just 1 week, and then we're going to keep doing this for the next my goal is the next 3 months. So, but like I said, I normally see results in 12 days when I'm on the carb cycling diet and going to the gym 5 days to 6 days out of the week. So I'm going to be showing you weekly how my progress is going, like if I see more definition. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So yeah, it's pretty basic and redundant at the same time, but it's definitely a good diet. And I'm not sponsored by the people from this diet. I actually got it from, what's the name called? I'll link his Instagram below so you guys can hit him up too if you guys want like your meal plan and your workout plan, Ab Lab. So I'll go ahead and link his profile down below. I'm not affiliated with him. I'm not getting paid to do this. I just want to share, you know, what works for me. And I really like this diet plan just because I get to have carbs and I still get results. You know, at least like bread and rice, I get to have that. So that for me is it's a plus because I don't feel like I'm starving myself. So yeah, it's a good plan. It works for me. So if you guys have any questions in regards to the meal plan and my workouts, just let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So my eggs are done, and I want to show you guys the bread that I'm having. And it's not my favorite, but it's a healthier choice. So I love this bread, which is the 21 whole grains and seeds bread. But for now, because I want better results, I'm going to be consuming this bread. And And it's not my favorite just because the flavor is just not that great. But whatever. I will have this for now. Just because, like I said, it's a healthier choice. It's organic. So I'm supposed to have 45 grams of bread. So with this one, I think I get to have 2, which is pretty cool. Because, you know, I love bread. So I'm taking my scale and I'm going to weigh the bread.
Esto se está quemando.
Alright, so I'm going to weigh the bread. I think I'm going to be able to have 2 slices. We'll see. That's 34. That's too much. So let me see, just one. So 1 slice is 36. Well, at least that one is 36. And I get to have, we said what? We get to have 45 grams. So maybe half of this. No, it's like this much. It's about that. It's about right. So today's my medium carb day. So I'm gonna toast this bread and then we're gonna chow down because I'm starving. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get to eat. Alright, so I'm warming up my bread. I haven't started to eat, so I wanted to just let you guys know what's next on my meal plan. So my second meal is going to be chicken and potatoes. So basically it's the same thing almost every day. It's just the portions are a lot bigger. So like because today is my medium carb day, I'm going to have a little bit more of carbs and less of the protein. So I'm going to have 45 or 75 grams of chicken and then 75 grams of potatoes. Then my next meal, my third meal is going to be a rice cake and then protein and strawberries. My strawberries, I'll substitute them with a green apple since I don't have any strawberries. And then my fourth meal is going to be broccoli and chicken. And my meal is my fifth meal is going to be tuna and salad. The salad I'll probably film for you guys because I'm making a salad. And then my last meal is going to be asparagus and turkey. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. Second day for breakfast. So I want to show you my measurements. Obviously I want to slim down my waist and grow my glutes and my quads. So I'm going to measure my waist. So since it's day 2 of training and dieting, I want to have my measurements from now and then till I'm going to do this weekly. So I can check in weekly and see if I've lost inches and have gained, muscle in my glutes and legs. So I want to show you what's my waist. So it's about what, 25 inches, and then my glutes. about 35. So 25, 35 are my measurements. So we're hoping to slim down my midsection and then grow my glutes. So those are my measurements. This is Tuesday, the 26th, the 26th, I think it's the 26th. So those are my measurements as of February 26th. I'm gonna check in every week, and I'm excited. So hopefully 12 days I will see like a big difference. All right, so okay guys, so now I'm like off to work. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm now on my third meal, and what's next? We're on day 2, meal 3. So I'm having a rice cake, and it's from the Quaker brand, and it's the apple cinnamon. And I have my little my scale, and I'm now going to measure my protein, and it's only 15 grams. So it's a little bit. It's probably going to be like this much. So let's see. Okay, that's 8 grams. That's 10. Can you guys see? That's 11. Okay, that's 12. Every gram counts, guys. Oh, come on, 15. There it is. All right. That's 15. So I'm gonna have it with water. Oh, and then now I need to measure weigh my apple. So an apple, and for my apple, since I'm gonna substitute it, so let me see, where am I at? So 100 grams. All right, so this is what I'm eating. Wait, where's my rice cake? I didn't take it out. All right, so normally I will prep all of this. So normally I'll prep all of this if I know that I'm gonna be out, but because I can, like these days I'm actually gonna be home, I'll just get my meals whenever it's time to eat. But for the most part, like I'll pack my 2 meals, and then I can come home, eat, and then I can go again to see my clients. But yes, normally I would just have everything already planned out and in my containers, like for my meals each day. So yeah, this is gonna be my meal number 3 for day 2 of carb cycling. Hey guys, so I'm now on meal 4, and I'm actually in the process of editing the Monday's video, and it's super long, so it's taking me a while. And let me know in the comments below if you guys are enjoying the videos, and if you guys like that I'm showing you what I'm eating, so I can continue to incorporate them in the next few days. Again, I'm only going to be recording the first week just because it's very repetitive and redundant. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the next 3 months. But I will be checking in every week so you guys can see my progress. So I'll be doing like weekly vlogs so you guys can see just, you know, if I'm getting more definition, if I'm slimming down and stuff like that. But if you guys are enjoying the meals, like, let me know in the comments down below. So my next meal is broccoli and chicken. Again, it's basically the same thing almost every day. It's just the amounts are different. I try to change it up a little bit. Like for this meal, I have to have chicken, but I'm probably gonna have fish instead of chicken, and I am gonna have broccoli. So I'll change it up a bit like that, just because it does get boring. But I try to stay within what my meal plan is suggesting. So for this one, I'm gonna make it so I'm not gonna be filming what I'm gonna eat, but I'm just letting you know right now that it's going to be broccoli and fish, and obviously my green tea. And I gotta get back to editing videos. I have a few videos that I'm coming out with, so yeah, I gotta get that done. And I'm probably gonna be like also working out later on this evening, so make sure to like check out my Instagram. I'll add it somewhere here for that workout. And yeah, so after this, I'm gonna do like meal 5, and that's gonna be a salad with tuna. I'm not gonna film that one just because I feel like they're getting very, very long. But if you want me to incorporate it, just let me know in the comments below. All right, so I'll check back before the end of the day.